right, so we have a brand new listing coming on the market. It'll be on the market the third week of February. This is a beautiful house, close to town location. Wait till you see the inside. Come on, take a look. All right, so we're going in. You guys have to see this house. It's so awesome. It's such a great family house. So today's photo shoot day. Come on in. It's photo shoot day, so things are a little askew, but it's all okay. We are shooting a video as well as still photos. Come on, take a look. All right, so here we have this amazing, big, huge, great room. I love this room because it's got a lot of space for family and friends. It has a really nice fireplace. It looks out onto a beautiful bluestone patio, which I think is terrific. And then this, I think, really is one of our great features to this house, which is this magnificent kitchen. We have this huge island here that is tremendous. Imagine all your family and friends hanging out around this island, just having a good time, having drinks and apps and, you know, whatever. And then if you swing over here, you can see we kind of have this nice wide open expanse here where you can have an eat-in kitchen and kitchen table. And then I'm going to swing you back in this direction so that you can see this massive fridge freezer. Look at this. Now, that is a lot of good snacks, right? So we think this is the most incredible house. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It has a first floor master, a beautiful finished basement, an incredible garage that is kind of converted to a man cave, but easily can be converted back to a garage. It has a beautiful bluestone patio. It's on a cul-de-sac, and being so close to town we think is amazing. So this is really a must-see. I would say call, text, email myself or Lisa Damp to make an appointment to see this house.